Hi, Warren Carr here for BAU Podcast, and for the very first of BAU unboxing a OnePlus device, I would like to unbox yesterday's wine from last year. I'm talking about the OnePlus 10T from 2022, and that device was announced in August of last year. I'll be unboxing this, and then we'll do a review for next week or thereabout. But for today, though, I simply want to unbox it, and here we are. Got that box dropped off from Amazon, and I'm going to be tearing it open. There we go. I actually even got a case and a tempered glass for this device. I got the Moon Black or Moonstone Black version. And I just pulled it out. It's a red box. You can see it. Now I'm going to tear it open here. There we go. And get into the meat of it all. All right. I thought I got it. Yep. There we go. I just took off the top of the box, and in here is another little box, and I'm sure that has the cord and maybe SIM ejection tool and all of that. And beneath it is the phone itself. Oh my gosh, it even has a brick charger in the box. It's a huge one. Really big. No wonder OnePlus devices, charge fast. This is absolutely huge. It's very, very big. And of course, it's USB-C. This is again the OnePlus 10T. And let's take the phone out here. There we go. I'm going to peel off the little paper wrapping here and go about the physical description or the buttons I can find anyway. Let's see. There we go. This is about a 6.7 device, so it's like my Pixel device. And what I have here is something I don't like. I am seeing what I don't like. So in other words, I'm seeing the power button on the right, and then I'm seeing the up and down volume on the left. On the back of it, I can feel like what it seems to be a total of 4 cameras there. I hope I'm correct. Or one of them may be like a LED, whatever. And that's what I feel. Then at the top here, I don't think this is a SIM tray. There's a little thing here on the top. Maybe that's the antenna. Let's go toward the bottom though and see what we got. At the bottom, we have in the middle the USB-C, and to the right, what feels like a speaker grill. And to the left of it, I think this is the SIM tray. Let me grab an old SIM removal tool here and check it. There we go. Yep, indeed. There to the left is a SIM card tray. I'm going to pull it out. Oops, fell out easily. There we go. That's a SIM tray there. It's a single SIM. Of course, doesn't have an SD slot. And now I'm going to hold down the power key to see if it turns on. This again from last year, so it's probably been sitting there and maybe it may not turn on. I'm holding down the power key now and I do not feel any vibration. I believe this is dead, so I will have to charge this and then turn it on, and then I'll review it from here. But for now, this has been the unboxing of the OnePlus 10T. And it's a nice feeling device, and I'll be doing a review once I get this thing charged and powered. So far, this has been the unboxing of the OnePlus 10T.